Good morning, traders. My name is Okoyeocha, analyzing the market from the land of rising sun. Today is Saturday, 16th day of May 2026. I want to bring you technical analysis using an advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. If today is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. You could also consider joining my Telegram channels. They are free. Two of them are free. The links are in the bio. Then if you want to join my mentorship program, you let me know. My phone number is at the bio of the video. The phone number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, so let's dive into the business. DXY is where we just start. So DXY is still going sideways for a long time. Okay, so because of this sideways, the possibility of going down cannot be ruled out. Okay, but coming to the current movement, this is a clear impulse move. You can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this can be an A, B, C. So this can be a start of a new wave. But this is a daily chart. So we use 4 hours more. 4 hours, 1 hour, 50 minutes. So now, right now, what we are expecting is this very movement, a correction, another move up. Then if this the move breaks this top, we consider the bearish move over. So that's for DXY. USD card, we also expect it to give us a new low. Okay, but right now we are waiting for a reversal pattern, which will occur anywhere from here. We can get a reversal here or anywhere before this top. It can be a move downwards or a correction like this and another move up before going down. But any move that breaks this high, then we forget about the bearish move. Then we now focus on bullish. USDCHF, the same thing with USD card. I expect it to give us a move lower, a lower move. Even if the price continues to go and break this high, we can see go low. Okay, unless this high is broken. But maybe from here or from anywhere before this place, we are going lower. Then after that, we now expect it to go higher again. It can give us impulse or correction to give us a lower move. So let me show you daily to make you clear of what I'm expecting. Look at daily chart. We are expecting it to give us a new low. I mean something below 0.7617. That's what we are expecting. So no matter what is happening in lower time frame, just bear in mind that a new low is possible. So that's why we don't lose ourselves as we are buying. It is buying now, but we'll be cautious. Okay. USD, I'll show you daily again. USD, weeks back, I said that this very move is possible. That is this an A, B, C, which you see the price to 1.11, 1.100 zone. So right now, the market is showing us that it will likely happen. And when this was happening, it seems it will break this high. And if it had broken this high, then we forget about this move. But since it didn't break it, so we count this as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and A, B, C. So this is another wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is going. We wait 4 and 5, another correction, another move down. So it will keep going low unless we see something that will change the situation from going lower to higher. But right now, we are going lower. In any case, even if it doesn't want to go down as we saw on daily chart, we will get this as an ABC. Maybe when price comes to this zone, we will check our trade to know the pattern is creating, whether the impulse move will continue or not. Okay. Pounds pounds USD. Pounds USD. Remember, weeks ago, I said that this to me is either wave 1 or wave A, that whatever is happening here is wave B, that we will get the price down to this zone. The zone I marked is still there. I didn't mark this zone today. It's been there. So we expect it to give us price 1.29, 1.223, 1.29, 1.28 zone. So this is my expectation on pounds USD before we will talk about the bullish move. Okay. AUD USD. AUD USD could not enter our reversal zone. Just few pips to our reversal zone and it has reversed. That's what you call truncation. You always hear me say maybe it will truncate. So this what we see, what we call truncation. We expected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the fifth one could not break this high. If they're breaking this high, it will have entered our reversal zone. But the pattern is showing us whether it entered the reversal zone or not. It have reversed. So the next thing to do is watch out when this move ends. It may have ended. It may drop a little lower. But we watch out for pullback or correction for selling. It will sell again. Though I don't know how much it will sell, but if it is correction, it will sell something like this and go up again. If it is impulse, it will do this, and do this again. So what matters now is to try to catch the move that will give us a sell. That's what is important now, right now. NZU, Kiwi USD, New Zealand USD, similar to AUD though the price action is not the same, but they always move in the same direction. So now I'm expecting to correct upwards and sell again. So nothing to waste time here. It have dropped. It will correct upwards and drop again. Meanwhile, all these charts I'm showing you, I post charts, trade setups from time to time on my Telegram channel. So on the free channel, even if you are not on my mentorship program, you will be getting money following my trade setups. So I drop them from time to time. But if you want to get the full service, you join the mentorship, the VIP, so student group. Okay, so USD JPY, I'm expecting to give me another drop, maybe somewhere here, 150 towards 150 zone, 155, 154, 153 zone. This is what I'm expecting it before the bullish move will start, unless it breaks this high. If it didn't break this high, I'm expecting it to break this low. Okay. New Zealand USD, sorry, Euro JPY, the same thing. This is what I'm looking at. So you can see this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this can be an A, B, C, then another drop. So I expect the move that we break this low again before we now begin to buy. Okay, that's for Euro JPY. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY is dropping. All I'm looking at is correction upwards, another drop. Whether it will be shallow or huge, I know it will drop and I know it will break this low. Okay, unless it goes up again, keep buying and break this high. If not, expect it at 208, 208 zone, 207 zone, 205 zone. That's my expectation according to wave theory on pounds JPY. Gold. Let's check gold. Gold. I remember for some time, let me show you daily. I'm saying that possibility of gold coming down to break this low is there. You know, growth coming down to this zone is there, cannot be ruled out. That's the language I always use. Cannot be ruled out. Okay? Because what do I say so? This is a three waves. W, A, B, C, which can be with W. Then double zigzag. This can be with X. Then we can get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as with Y. So bear that in mind. We cannot rule that out. So going back to the lower time frame, let's go to 4 hours. In any case, even if we will not get that deep selling, we will surely get A, B, C, which will see the price at 4,380, 4,280 zone, or a bit lower, or 4,200 before buying. So, and if that is the case, it means that this is wave 1, then this is wave 2. But if it will go lower again, then this will be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So the selling is not yet over on gold. Silver, the same thing. Let's check silver. Silver, you see the massive drop on silver at the last days of the week. A massive drop. Okay, I've been saying that silver will surely drop, even if it will not give us. It will give us silver. Everything is pointing out that silver will give us. We drop to 56, 50, 57, 56, 52 zone before buying again. Though we cannot rule out this type of structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's possible. What we call leading diagonal. Then A, B, C. Then move up. But I least expect this to happen. So selling will continue on silver. What you're gonna do is that you will watch out for correction, then join the selling. Maybe at least a break of this low, at least. Okay, but a swing traders will be targeting this low on silver. Okay, so platinum is also dropping. It's also dropping. Where do we expect it to drop? I expect platinum to come to this zone, 1,520, 1,600 zone. Then we will have another buying opportunity. Okay, that's for platinum. Nothing much to explain on platinum. Or maybe this will be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then we can get an A, B, C. But this type of move, it doesn't look corrective at all. Okay, so watch out how this will develop. Then another sell, either down, or below this high. Okay, that's for platinum. Let's check oil, US oil. My bias on oil is that oil will sell again. Oil will sell again unless when market opens, we see a strong bullish move. It's possible because of war in the Middle East. Selling oil is risky. Selling oil is risky because of the war in the Middle East. But structurally, looking at oil, this is the first thing I see. A, B, C, which is W. Then this looks like an A, B, C, which is X. Then we will likely get another drop. Okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Another A, B, C, another B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So making it W, X, Y. So this is A, B, C. Then this will be another A, B, C. to make it WXY. This is all probability, this is all forecast, and not much that it will happen. So as a matter of fact, if you want to sell oil, use a lower lot size because of war in the Middle East. The fundamental favors buy on oil, but technically, we are looking at oil to sell. Meanwhile, if oil goes up and break this lower channel, then the buying will continue. So that is the two things. Either we continue to sell or break this channel and buying will continue. Okay, let's go to cryptos and I will conclude. I don't want to go to indices now. Let's go to cryptos and we call it a day. Bitcoin, I will show you daily charts for one reason. Bitcoin, you see, in the market, I say it all the time that the difficult time we always have in trading is correction and the turning point. So markets will come to a turning point and they will turn, continue moving. So come to turning point and will remain there for a long time. Bitcoin have stayed 10 days inside the reversal zone, 10 days or maybe 9 days. But right now, it seems to have left the reversal zone. So you can see, let me try to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days before it could leave the reversal zone. So right now, let's go back to 4-hour chart. What I show you this, I'm no longer interested in buying Bitcoin. My last attempt to buy Bitcoin is after this sharp move up. I expect it to drop somewhere here and buy again. So the buy didn't work out. Since this low is broken, it's either we are getting a big correction, something like A, B, C, then it will buy again. Or just know that this is wave 1, this is wave 2, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower, what do you call it? Lower cycle wave 1, then this is wave 2, then we get wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which will be wave 3 of this bigger cycle. Then the correction, wave 4, another one wave 5. So that is Bitcoin. What will happen, whether it is correcting or it's not correcting, is once we get a very big move, then know that Bitcoin is on its way to 50,000 zone or maybe 60,000 zone. So Bitcoin, the chances of Bitcoin dropping to this zone, 50,000, 54,000, 50,000 zone, cannot be ruled out. The possibility is there. All we want to see is a first big move. It hasn't happened. Once it's happened, others will fall in. So that's Bitcoin. Ethereum cannot go against Bitcoin. So that's the thing. Ethereum, as Bitcoin is going down, Ethereum will be going down. So I don't have time to begin to analyze the Ethereum different from Bitcoin. Okay. So last week, I was thinking that Ethereum will give us that this is an A, B, C, that this is wave 1, wave 2. We're going to get wave 3, 4, 5 to complete this bigger reversal zone. But as you can see, it's no longer coming here. It is now going down. So Ethereum, remember, if you've been watching my video, I said that Ethereum, my target is 1,700. So I think it's the move towards there have started. Okay, it may even go below 1,700. I don't know, but for now, let's focus on how we join the sellers. Let's focus by going down to 4 hours, 1 hour or 15 minutes. So maybe once we finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction, then we continue. Litecoin also tried to go higher. You can see I tried to sell Litecoin, but it didn't give me entry. Okay, it's not broken where I assume to be the bottom. You know, this like A, B, C. Then this like wave 1, wave 2. So, but it didn't do that. It broke it. So, saying that this correction might be over. Meanwhile, that's what we call expanding flat. It's possible that this is wave A, B, C, wave B, wave C. It's possible, but I don't expect that. Then a move higher. It's possible, but that's what I'm not expecting. So I first of all watch how the price will go the opposite way to know whether I will sell or look for other pays. For now, let me remove the trading the trading idea, trading icon. BNB seems to have completed a move, or at least trade line can be a guide towards correction. Trend line can be a guide. So watching this trend line, watching the trend line and how the market reacts after hitting the trend line shows that the selling will continue. The selling will continue. Okay, and that's the end of our today's analysis. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is the other crypto I tried to buy, but it didn't give me the buy. It didn't give me the buy setup. So I was looking for buy setup inside this zone, but it broke everything and keep going down. So right now, I've forgotten about buying on cryptos. I will focus on selling. Okay, that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Join our mentorship. We don't charge much, and we teach you everything. Before within few months, you'll be able to analyze the way I analyze. You open your chart, and you will know what will happen next, and you will be correct at least 80% of the time. You will be correct at least 80% of the time. That matters much, because you open your chart, you just open trade, you don't know where it's coming from, you don't know where it is going. Those people that trade with 15 minutes and 5 minutes alone, they never know where the market is going. They will be making profit by luck, or would the time the market will frustrate them. But if you be able to analyze daily, weekly, 4 hours, you know where the market is going. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Give us a like, make a comment, share it with your friends. Thank you, and God bless you.